A joyful New Year celebration, these 5 special dishes can be prepared together to create a festive, flavorful feast that feels both comforting and exciting. Chicken shawarma with bread, chicken chop, fried rice with crispy garlic chicken, tomato chili chicken, and a light festive salad or raita starting with chicken shawarma. Marinate boneless chicken with yogurt, garlic paste, lemon juice, cumin, coriander, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, and a little oil. Rest it for a few hours or overnight, then grill or pan fry until juicy and lightly charred. Slice thinly and serve wrapped in soft flatbread or floppy bread with garlic sauce, fresh cucumber, onion, and lettuce. Next, chicken chop is prepared by marinating whole or large chicken pieces with ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, chili sauce, black pepper, a little vinegar, and salt, then shallow frying or grilling until golden and tender, finishing with a glossy sauce made from the leftover marinade thickened slightly for a restaurant-style New Year touch. For the crowd favorite, fried rice with crispy garlic chicken. Cook long-grain rice in advance and cool it. Then deep fry or air-fry chicken cubes coated with corn flour, salt, pepper, and egg until crunchy. Separately sauté chopped garlic and oil until fragrant. Add vegetables like carrot, beans, and capsicum. Toss in rice, soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, and white pepper. Finally topping it generously with the crispy garlic chicken for bold texture and aroma. Tomato chili chicken brings a colorful, tangy balance. Fry battered chicken pieces until crisp, then stir-fry garlic, ginger, green chilies, and onions. Add tomato ketchup, chili sauce, a splash of soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. Toss the chicken in this glossy red sauce until evenly coated and slightly sticky, making it perfect as a spicy New Year appetizer or side, to balance the richness. A simple festive salad or yogurt raita can be prepared with chopped cucumber, carrot, onion, green chili, salt, and yogurt or lemon dressing, adding freshness and cooling contrast. And when all these dishes are served together, shawarma wraps ready to roll, chicken chop sizzling, fried rice steaming with crispy garlic chicken, tomato chili chicken shining in red sauce, and a fresh side on the table, they create a complete New Year celebration menu that symbolizes warmth, togetherness, and a delicious start to the year ahead. Thanks for watching this. I hope you will support my channel.